Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Unibet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in unibet.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Unibet website. Now once you're in the home page, in order to sign up, click on the register button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the sign up page. To proceed with creating your account, choose your country and you can also select international. You can also choose your language from this page, from the drop down menu, and once it is done, click on the continue button. Now you will be shown various different offers which you can choose based on your desire, or you can also skip by clicking on the skip button. You also have the option to use your promo code. After proceeding with your desired option, you will be asked to fulfill your information. Enter your first and your last name, followed by your email address and the password that you want to set for your account. After entering your desired password, choose your date of birth and then enter your gender. Finally, click on continue once again and you will be asked to enter your address. Enter your address followed by your city and your zip code and also choose your country of residence. Finally, enter your phone number after choosing your country code and then enter your desired currency. You then have the options to receive notifications on your email, phone call or SMS. Finally, confirm that you are over 18 years old and click on the join button. And now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. So just check your inbox and you will find this code right away. After entering this verification code, click on the verify button and your account will be verified right away. You can also use your email to verify your account by clicking on verify with email. Then click on the send button and you will need to check your inbox now. Once you open up your inbox, you will find an email from Unibet which you can open up and then click on the given link. Once you click on the link within, your account will immediately be verified and you will now be able to use your Unibet account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Unibet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.